Yo, Aaron here, and this is my 2-minute tip on what a capo is and how to use it. So most capos will work on a spring action. You press it like that, it opens up, and you can just clamp it onto your guitar by letting go. But what is it used for, and why is it useful? Well, it allows you to change the key of any song without actually changing what you're playing. So let's say, for example, I'm singing through the chorus to Cannonball by Damien Rice in the key of G. Stones taught me to fly, love, it taught me to lie. All right, and I decide, okay, that's okay, but it's not quite in that place in my voice that I want it to be. So what I might do is use my capo, take it up to the 2nd fret, and the guitar has essentially started again from the 2nd fret, and I just play exactly the same shapes as I did before, but relative to where the capo now is. So now I'm in the key of A. We try the song again. Stones, it taught me to fly in love. All right, and then I go, oh, well, that's not quite there, so I might take it up another 2 frets, and you're beginning to get the idea, right? Stones taught me to fly in love. And that there, personally, is a good place for my voice. So this is a very useful tool for guitarists and singers alike, or guitarist singers, and they can use it to change the key of a song. And where it gets even more interesting is if you take it all the way up to, say, the 10th fret, for example, we do the same thing. And can you hear just how different the guitar starts to sound up here? So it is also a creative tool. So songwriters like Ed Sheeran and James Bay, just for example, they'll use it not only to change the key of songs to suit their voice, but also as a creative tool to make things sound, well, different, really. So there it was, my 2-minute tip on how to use a capo. Hope you enjoyed it.